Hi everyone, welcome back my YouTube channel Easy Craft Video. I hope all my viewers are fine and enjoy the day of life. I am back with another beautiful idea about the designs of Merry Christmas centerpieces, decoration ideas for your house. As you know that without decorations, Merry Christmas is so incomplete. So I collect beautiful idea for my viewers. So thank you so much guys for watching my YouTube video and collecting my YouTube channel in these collections. 70 plus unique idea that recreate and transfer your house on beautiful way. Beautiful centerpieces, fresh centerpieces, designs for my viewers. Beautiful idea, beautiful creativity. Fresh idea for fresh years. The designs will look so attractive. I hope you enjoy my video. Please like, share, comment and subscribe my YouTube channel. And I give more idea about how to create and how to transfer your house on the days of Merry Christmas 2025. How to decorate your house with a beautiful way on the days of Merry Christmas. I provide you simple decoration ideas for Merry Christmas. Centerpieces look so attractive, so stylish. All the designs are amazing and beautiful. All over modern way to celebrate your festival 2025. All the designs are very unique and trending. I hope you love this design with creativity. If you have any question about my YouTube channel, then please ask me in comment box. Please watch this video to end. Please like, share, comment on my YouTube video. They look so attractive, so stylish, so amazing. I hope you enjoy my video. If you new my YouTube channel, then don't miss another amazing video like this one. Then don't forget to subscribe my YouTube channel. I hope you like these designs. If you like any designs, then take a screenshot of it and also do try my amazing and beautiful design. Thank you so much guys for watching my YouTube video. Please watch this video to end. These centerpieces look so attractive, so stylish. They enhance the beauty of your wall decoration and table decoration.